Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about a important concept in the Python, that is a day 5. You know that in the previous day we discussed different topics of a Python. Now in this day 5, we will discuss about an important concept in the Python. What are the concepts that are important to know? Day 5 important concept in the Python. One of them is a Python 3 and Python 2 difference with practical. What is the difference between Python 3 and Python 2? You know that in the previous classes I discussed with you about difference Python 3 and Python 2, just theoretical concept. But in this day 5, I will show you with practical and what is the difference between Python 3 and Python 2. And next, comments, how you can give a comments in the Python, and what is the program and statement, terminator or separator, indentation. So these are different concepts of a Python that are very important to know. So day 5 we will discuss on this topic. So in the very first class we will discuss about Python 3 and Python 2 difference with practical.